This is a human brain. Each brain contains many brain cells, also called neurons. On average, there are 86 billion neurons in the human brain. Neurons are the building blocks of the brain. They function by receiving and sending signals to other neurons. Look, a brain cell is dividing now. Wow, this is crazy. Cell division happens because of cell growth. When Timmy is a baby, he uses cell growth to grow into a toddler, also growing his brain. Cell division also happens because of cell repair. Brain cells don't really use cell repair, so this is an example. Oh no, Timmy hurt his knee. He uses cell repair to grow his knee back. Let's look at dividing cells more closely.
This is one brain cell, and the first step in dividing is a process called interphase. Interphase has 3 phases to it: gap 1, synthesis, and gap 2. In gap 1, the cell grows larger and also begins to make protein. Currently, there are 4 chromatids, but that number doubles during synthesis. In the gap 2 phase, more proteins are created and the cell grows even more. The next step is called mitosis, and mitosis consists of 4 stages. The first stage is prophase, and during this, the chromatids condense together, making X's and forming chromosomes. The nuclear membrane disappears and spindle fibers form. Next, in metaphase, the ends of the spindle fibers connect to the centromeres, causing the chromosomes to line up in the center of the cell. In anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart by the spindle fibers and are forced to move to opposite ends of the cell. The last stage of mitosis is telophase, in which the nuclear membrane reforms, causing the cell to have 2 nuclear membranes with half of the chromosomes in each. During this, the spindle fibers break down. The final part of cell division is called cytokinesis. In cytokinesis, the cytoplasm begins to divide, and because this is a brain cell, it forms a cleavage furrow that separates the cell into 2 identical cells.
Oh look, the cell is dividing rapidly. This is cancer. Cancer happens when cells divide rapidly without regulation. This can form large tumors around the body. There are many types of brain cancers, and symptoms of these include headaches, seizures, and decline in cognitive functions. Sometimes a tumor will form in the brain, where the cells have divided in an unstable way. There are many treatments for cancer, including surgery and chemotherapy, but none of these are a guaranteed cure. Now you know a little bit more about how cells divide. Thanks for watching!